You got your cute outfit on.
You keeping an eye on Mimi?
Yes.
What was that? What? What'd you say?
Yeah. Hey, Miles, what you chewing on your finger for? Why are you chewing on your finger? Oh, look at that.
You want to do high five?
Yeah.
Miles? High five? High five? High five? Look. Miles. Look.
Hey,
Can't get his eyes off Mimi.
I love Mimi. Miles, hey. Look at Mimi up here.
High five. No. Not right now.